trash. Hey guys, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are doing a bathroom deep clean and organization video. I did a video a couple weeks ago where I organized my entire kitchen, and I asked you guys if you wanted me to organize my bathroom because it severely needs to be organized, and you guys said yes. So here we are making this video. Thank you so much to CVS Pharmacy for sponsoring this video. I have talked about the CVS Care Pass membership so many times, and honestly, I'm not going to stop talking about it. It's such a great deal. It's so convenient. The CVS Care Pass membership is either $5 a month or $48 annually with your first month free. Like I said, there's seriously so many perks to the CVS Care Pass membership. It helps you save time and money, and honestly, it pays for itself. I actually picked up a couple things to help me clean my bathroom from CVS. One of the really great perks of the CVS Care Pass membership, you get free 1 to 2 day shipping on eligible CVS products. So I have some right here. I knew that I wanted to clean and organize my bathroom, and there was some cleaning stuff that I ran out of and I didn't have time to go get it. So I ordered this online using my Care Pass membership, and it came in 2 days, which was so nice. I didn't have to go to the store. Let me do a quick little haul of what I got. I got these Clorox wipes. I love to just like wipe down my counter and my drawers with these. I just think it's super convenient, especially if like you're cleaning on the go. So I'm gonna put these under my bathroom sink so I can hopefully will just like clean up my bathroom as I go and it won't get dirty and disgusting. Also, with the CVS Care Pass membership, you get a $10 monthly promo reward, which you can use online or in store, so I use it towards these. I also got the Scrub Daddy. I have one of these and it was kind of getting bad, so I wanted to get a new one. These are amazing for cleaning. They're incredible. Obviously, CVS has more than just cleaning supplies, but I needed some, and it was nice to have that $10 promo reward put towards this, so I got to save some money, and it was convenient because it was delivered to me. If you're a busy person like me, it saves you so much time. It's very convenient. And the last thing that I got, I wanted to get these. These are the Scrubbing Bubbles Toilet Cleaning Stamp Fresh Gel. I've never tried these, but I wanted to get one of these. I just thought, since I'm doing a deep clean, I want to do some things that will help me maintain my clean space. There's so many other perks and benefits to the CVS Care Pass membership. There's a 24/7 pharmacist helpline, free same-day prescription delivery, and you get 20% off CVS Health and Live Better products. I will have a link in the description for you guys to check out the Care Pass membership, and when you sign up, you get your first month for free. So make sure to check it out. I obviously talk about it all the time because I love the convenience that it brings to my life and helps me save some money. Without further ado, let's put some of these products to use and go clean my bathroom. I'm gonna first show you guys a little before. This is a before in my bathroom. It really doesn't look that dirty because it's not dirty, it's just unorganized and messy. Here's a little overview of my bathroom. It's honestly very clean right now. There's not like clutter on the counter. However, it does need to be cleaned. Like, it's not the cleanest. You can kind of see the mirror. She's a little messy. You can see that. The drawers are really where we need to work on. One thing that I really want to do with this is put contact paper right here so this will stop sliding around, but I just need to organize this. This is kind of like my everyday go-to drawer. Like, I have a ton of hairbrushes. Like, these are just things that I grab for a lot. So I just want there to be more organization in this drawer. This is all my hair stuff. I have my air wrap, I have all my curling irons. It's really unorganized and it's just kind of a mess, so I'd like to go through it. This is a mess. This is just like a bunch of random products, and there's no organization to this at all. It kind of drives me insane, and I always forget what I have in here because it's just simply not organized. So hopefully we can find a system that will work for me. This is where I like to store my bathroom cleaning stuff. I would really like to go through this and kind of reorganize it. Everything is just kind of placed there. When I moved in here, I didn't really organize this bathroom. I kind of just placed things, and I was like, I'll figure it out as I go. I'll figure out what kind of organization system I like, and I'll adapt that. So here I'm finally doing that. So nothing is really organized. It just kind of is there. This is a fan that I think I'm going to move out of here. It was really hot in the summer in this bathroom. Just like when I would shower, it would get really toasty in here, but now that it's winter, it's freezing and I don't need this. This right here used to be my makeup drawer, but because it was really hot in here, I decided to start getting ready at my desk in my bedroom. I just thought that it was better lighting in there with the window and it wasn't as hot. So this kind of became a junk drawer. I have like prescription paperwork, I have like a bunch of makeup, just like some random product. There's really no organization to this at all, and I would really like for this to be a functional drawer because it's the top drawer. This is where I store all my makeup, and it just kind of is a little overwhelming. Like, I think that it's not that messy per se. It just needs some more organization, and just some products kind of overflowed, so I'd like to kind of find a place for those. This one is kind of just like a bunch of stuff. I use like these towels to wash my face in the morning and at night, and then I have like my extra makeup brushes. Kind of just like a junk drawer of like leftover stuff. Okay, going on into these, I have this bathroom all myself, which is like, this is a huge bathroom, and I feel very fortunate and thankful for this amount of storage, because I mean, this is the first time I've ever had a bathroom with a lot of storage, so I want to make it efficient. This one, I try to use like my everyday products, so these are like my prescriptions that I have. Fun fact, got those from CVS. Same day prescription delivery with the Care Pass membership. But then like my face washes, my makeup removers, these are stuff that I try to use but I don't use as often. And then these are just like a bunch of random products that I tried at one point, and like my skin is not at a place right now where I should be trying new products, so everything kind of just went up there. Going on into this one, I kind of wanted this to be like my hair and body things. Like it just kind of got a little cluttered. Like moisturizer, I have dry shampoo, deodorant, I have self tanner, more makeup remover, like it's just kind of everything. These are the hair products that I wanted to use. I have some lotions, like ooh, Live Better, 20% off CVS. That is kind of where we're at. I feel so lucky to have so much organization in here, but I just want to make the most of it and make it the most efficient and functional for me. So let's get started. I think I want to start by like emptying everything out and then cleaning out all the drawers.
Got calluses on my feet, been on that grind, yeah, your girl out here hustling. Working at 9 to 5, 5 to 9 kind of life, yeah, I've been doubling. I get so mad, pick what's in my brain just like it's a weaponry. I'm ready to.
Ow. It stuck to my finger.
My trade in the world, I can't be my worst enemy. I just need to catch a break. Or maybe just a holiday. I got no cure for this kind of disease. A workaholic with no will to get free. I just need to catch a break. Catch a break. All of the sacrifice has to pay off. There's no way it means nothing.
We only went through 2 drawers, but I'm pretty proud of them. Like I think they look really good. I'm so glad I put contact paper so these won't slide around when I open it. I pretty much did the same system. I know I have like more hairbrushes than I need, but I like to keep them all on hand. This is really nice, like having contact paper in here, so I didn't really change too much of these 2 drawers. I just kind of cleaned them up a little bit. This one I think is beautiful. Like I have all of my air wrap stuff right here, my curling iron, my straightener, and then I have some more hair stuff back there. So I really like this drawer. I think that it's a lot more pleasing to the eye and it's easier to get stuff out of. Now we go on into this guy, which is kind of what I've been putting off.
My whole life, but I just need a sign, give me something. I feel like caving into the tiredness, just wanna give up. But that ain't me. Mom didn't raise me a quitter, no, I ain't done. I just need to catch a break.
I kind of think this drawer might be a lost cause. There's just so much stuff. There's actually a lot of stuff that I decided not to put back. I'm either gonna give it to a friend, donate it, or put it in a giveaway bin if I haven't used it yet. It's definitely more organized, but I do anticipate it rolling around every single time I open it. I just think with this much stuff and this deep of a drawer, it's just kind of inevitable. Kind of frustrating, but I think this is better than what I had. I don't think it's great though. Now we move on to this side. I think I'm gonna start with this drawer right here.
I got no cure for this kind of disease. A workaholic with no will to get free. I just need to catch a break. Catch a break. Just look out for #1 culture is great, but the cost is so high and so are the stakes. I just know that I'm too young to retire. All the chasing my dreams feel like paying the piper. I just need to catch a break. Or maybe just a holiday. I got no cure for this kind of disease. A workaholic with no will to get free. I just need to catch a break. Catch a break. I just need to catch a break. Or maybe just a holiday. I got no cure for this kind of disease. A workaholic with no will to get free. I just need to catch a break. Catch a break.
I'm kind of unsure what I want to do with all of these serums that I have. Before, I had them lined up here and it was really pretty, but I don't use them on a daily basis. So I'm like, I don't really need them up there, but what else would I put up there? I kind of feel like I'm not even reorganizing. I feel like I'm just like taking things out and then putting them back in and making them look prettier. I could put them in this top drawer. The real question is, will this close? No, it will knock them over every time. That's not good. So I'm probably gonna put them back up where they were. Maybe I'll try to put them in order. I don't even know. I'm gonna put them back up. I will make them cuter. I feel like I'm not really like doing anything to organize this.
Try to get some money for some stuff that I need. Swear the ATM machine was laughing at me. Your girl, been running on empty, but I don't let it affect me. There are days that I consider moving back.
Now everything is organized. I'll give you a little rough overview of it. I still don't, oh, I forgot one drawer. I forgot this cabinet. I'll still show you guys everything, why not? I removed a lot of the products that I don't use on an everyday basis. So I just have like my dry shampoo. I obviously don't use self tanner on an everyday basis, but I lost the lid to it. So I'm scared to have it in the other cabinet. So it's there. And then I have my heat protectant, my deodorant. These are 2 hair things that I use pretty frequently. I don't use this that often, but I want to start. And then I have some lotions up there. I pretty much just like weeded down the stuff I don't use frequently, so it's just not in the way. And then over here, I use all of this stuff every day. These are my prescriptions that I get from CVS. These are things that I use, like my chapsticks, sunscreen, lash serum, and then I have all of those serums up there, and then some extra prescriptions that I have. This one I think is going to kind of be, I need to get contact paper for this, like a flex drawer. Like I have extra sunscreen, I have an exfoliator. It's just kind of there. My makeup I'm like pretty happy with. Oh, I didn't mean to put that there. I'm pretty happy with this. Like, I think this is pretty organized. I went through and I got rid of a lot of the stuff that was like expired or old that I've had for a really long time. So pretty happy with this drawer. And then this one, I just kind of got rid of a bunch of the random stuff. So it's mainly just towels that I have here. And then I put the little cap on my makeup brushes so they don't get dirty and get on the towels. This one will be pretty easy because I don't have too much under there.
My gut keeps telling me no. Your girl, been running on daydreams.
Now that we're done organizing, I want to start deep cleaning. So I think I'm going to start with my vanity and my toilet. My shower is what really needs to be deep cleaned. I've obviously like spot cleaned my shower before, but I've never really like deep cleaned it since I moved in, which I know I should. I get busy. I like forget. Or not forget, I just don't feel like it. If I'm just being honest, I get lazy. So let's start with something that's easy, which is the vanity, and then we'll work our way up to motivate ourselves to do the shower. It's just big. I might have to change my outfit for the shower.
It's just in my brain, baby. I don't need your doubt. Nope, I don't need your doubt. Hey, just chill. I got all the time to kill. Yeah, I got good vibes. Good vibes. I'm too blessed to give in to any stress. It's only good vibes. Good vibes. So when I can pay the rent, I got nothing in my rent. Got no doubt.
Hello, it's actually the next day. It was just getting really dark outside. It was getting pretty late and the lighting was bad. So we're here the next day, ready to finish off cleaning. I really just have my toilet, my shower, and my floors that I need to clean, and I might throw my towels in the wash, and then we're all done. I have this to clean my shower, and it looks like it needs to be on for like 10 minutes. So let's start there. Multitask. Well, I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm kind of like blanking on words right now. I don't know if this is going to mess it up, but I did just take a shower. But my shower is kind of gross. It just has like a lot of like little shampoo and like conditioner just everywhere. I also have some products in here that I've been meaning to take out, so now is a better time than ever. This I ran out of. I actually got this from CVS, fun fact. And then let's see, I don't really use this shampoo that often, so maybe I'll put it in my back stock. And then I think I'm gonna throw this away. I've had this for like 4 years and I don't really use that. We'll just put these all back here. These are just some of my like extra products back here that I kind of reach for that are more like shower products that don't go in there. And then into the trash. So I think we just spray that on and then wait for it to kind of like stud up. I think I'm gonna use my Scrub Daddy and kind of scrub it in a little bit, some of the grout and the cracks, and then we'll spray it off. I really hope I'll be doing this right. Oh, wait, what? This is not what I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be more like a mist, but it's not. Trying to put it all like in the cracks The grout is kind of gross. I genuinely don't think that I'm doing this right, if I'm being honest. I read the instructions. This just feels wrong. I don't know why. We're gonna let that sit and kind of absorb for 10 minutes, and then we're gonna clean it. I wanna say, I'm sure there's going to be comments of people telling me I did that wrong, and you know what? I probably did. Please help. I used to never really be like a super clean person. Like I wasn't gross and dirty. I just didn't really value cleaning as much as I do now. So I feel like I'm really starting to learn all of this cleaning stuff at like kind of a later age because I care about it now. So if I do anything wrong in any of my videos, or like if you're like, this is a more efficient way to do that, please tell me, because I am open for suggestion. I am happy to be suggested things. I feel like I'm an adult in training. I know some stuff, but I'm learning more and more every day. I have like my training wheels on. I'm about to clean my toilet. I don't know if this is gross. Like I don't know if you guys actually want to see this, because like this is a toilet. We're gonna clean it as we do. Who would have thought I'd be on the internet brushing my toilet? Yay! Now I can use the thing I got from CVS for the toilet. Wait, let me go get it. Oh, I showed these earlier. These are the Scrubbing Bubbles toilet cleaning stamps. Okay, maybe I should read the directions. Ready? That was it? That's really simple, and now there's like a bunch of other uses that I can do. So it's just like a gel that sits in your toilet bowl. I kind of want to flush it to see what happens. Interesting. Cool. Next up, I think that I want to wipe the floors down. Not wipe the floors down. I want to like mop them. I have a little Swiffer wet jet, so I think I want to take everything out and then clean the floors. I think that I want to go in with dish soap and my Scrub Daddy and like just scrub my entire shower. Let me go get my dish soap. Scrub Daddy coming in hot. Ah, dropped it. Life is way too short to get caught up in that mess. All I wanna do is get drunk on happiness. Oh girl, no, not because I'm smiling. I don't need your doubt. Nope, I don't need your doubt. Hey, just chill. I got all the time to kill. Yeah, I got good vibes. Good vibes. Okay, you guys, here is my bathroom. Finally done. So clean, so nice. I already showed you guys all the drawers being organized, right? I think I did. It smells so clean and fresh in here. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to check out CVS Care Pass membership. I'll have a link in the description. You guys can get your first month free. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.